Hello students and welcome back to Unique Academy. As promised in our previous session, in today's class we will talk about conciliation, a topic or a subtopic which is often taught together with mediation. Now without wasting any more time, let's begin. Let's talk about conciliation, another ADR technique. So what is conciliation? Parties out of their own will appoint a neutral third party to resolve their dispute. Now this is very much similar to mediation. Just like mediation, conciliation may be parties on their own will select a neutral third party. फिर conciliation और mediation में difference क्या है? The key difference between mediation and conciliation lies in the role of the neutral third party, the one appointed as a mediator or a conciliator. The mediator merely performs a facilitative role and provides platform for the parties to reach a mutually agreeable solution. तो mediator क्या होता है? Mediator provides a facilitative platform. His role is facilitative in nature, and with mediation you get a area, you get a platform to have a communication, and then you can reach to a mutually agreeable solution. Whereas the role of a conciliator goes beyond that of a mediator. conciliator का जो काम होता है वो कुछ और होता है, थोड़ा एडवांस वर्जन कह सकते हैं हम मीडिएशन का. अ कंसिलिएटर मे बी इंटरवेंशनिस्ट इन द सेंस दैट ही और शी मे सजेस्ट पोटेंशियल सॉल्यूशन टू द पार्टीज इन ऑर्डर टू रिजॉल्व देयर claims and dispute. Please highlight these lines. ये difference mediation and conciliation का important है. You should know कि conciliator, the one appointed as a conciliator, may also suggest potential solution. Now, why do we study mediation and conciliation together? Just a minute. Why do we study mediation and conciliation together? Because both mediation and conciliation are governed by section 89, which was inserted with the help of amendment in Civil Procedure Code 1908. This amendment was introduced or inserted in 2002. Both mediation and conciliation are governed by section 89, a provision inserted by the 2002 amendment of the Civil Procedure Code 1908. Section 89 of the code only deals with court referral mediation. Now, this is another catch that section 89 deals with only court referred mediation. Pre-litigation mediation is yet not governed by any law in the country. Now, this is also important for your knowledge. Similarly, conciliation only finds a referral in section 89 of Civil Procedure Code 1908. तो Civil Procedure Code में section 89 है जहाँ पे हमें conciliation के बारे में पता चलता है. Whereas the process and method of conciliation are discussed or described in Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996. Now all these points are important. They are very simple. अगर आप इस पूरी ही वीडियो को 2 बार भी देखेंगे तो भी आपको सारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर हो जाएंगे, डिफरेंस क्लियर हो जाएंगे और सारे पॉइंट्स रिमेंबर रहेंगे. That's all. Thank you. Welcome back students. Now you understand why we talk about mediation and conciliation together. Both the processes are governed by the same set of laws, but the nature of third party appointed in both the processes is slightly different. In mediation, the mediator is merely a facilitator to the conversation, but in conciliation, the one appointed as a conciliator also suggests any ideas to resolve the issue. In our next class, we will talk about Lok Adalat, so stay tuned.